Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you remember from different video this JBL 6 CD changer and radio for this 2005 Sequoia, and I bought it used and it didn't come with the mounting brackets. I was trying to adapt it there inside, but it needs to perfectly match with that plastic trim which is in the vehicle, and I basically gave up on some custom procedures. I didn't find any stuff on eBay, so I went and ordered those brackets from the dealer. Why didn't do it right away? Well, one of these chunk of steels cost $21, which I thought it was crazy overpriced, but as again I ran out of the options, right? I couldn't find anything else, and here we go. This supposed to be mounting bracket, right? It says right here, this one is a right hand and the other one will be the left hand. So let's see together how it will fit on this deck. So let's see if I'm able to install it, right? The radio, the deck comes with these 4 screws, so I will remove those. And that Toyota design is actually really good, because this is the bracket, right? And they made little high points on the backing of it, right? So if I will be installing it correctly, this is the right one, and I need to find the screws here, but did you see it actually sits in the place, right? It navigates you how to install. So now I can put all those 4 screws which I have here, and I know it's perfectly aligned, and I should be able to install it the same way on the other side. I continue using screwdriver, right? This is perfect. I love it. Was trying, somehow figure out how I will install it and save. Because with tax it's almost $50, but you know what can we do? Sometimes we just have to pay full retail. I wasn't able find any aftermarket. The dealer actually told me that local aftermarket car audio stereo company buys a lot of these things from the dealer. It was really interesting information. So here is the bracket, right? Let's see if those points will help me on this side too. I can also watch the other side, right, if it's symmetrical. And I should be, oh yeah, that was quick. I should be able to install it correctly. I believe both these brackets should be exactly the same way, right? It's not asymmetrical mount, but it's fully symmetrical. So let me really quickly tighten these screws. I have only 3. One of them was missing. I don't know what that previous owner did with it. If he dropped it somewhere or what happened. Came with 3. I believe 3 will be sufficient, right? There will be no vibration or resonations, hopefully. Here you can see the whole product, right? Symmetrical mount. Here are the brackets, which unfortunately were missing. Let's go and hop in the truck and see if it will fit. So here comes this JBL unit, right? It's a little bit hard to see the light, but look, if I put it there, hopefully it nicely seats. Oh yeah, and that's exactly what I needed, right? I first thought maybe I can fabricate it, but the problem is that the deck was coming up and down, and I had any reference what will be that exact fit. Now actually, when I'm looking on the details, now it finally pops that it will be perfectly flat. Everything cleared, and I have a winner. I need to remove it once again, put the electric connectors in the back, and find 4 screws, matching screws, that will hold it into place. Here you can hopefully see the detail of those 4 gold screws. This is the 4th one. Excuse me, this is a real pain. Jeez, is this even possible? This is unbelievable. Sometimes to fill something is a comedy and frustration, right? Everything's falling down, but you can see it, right? The last one is right here. That light just cooperated. So let's recheck last time. All 4 of them are perfectly tight. It's seated, right? I put those antennas in the back and the wires, the connectors are hooked. This is for real. And again, the light is a problem a little bit, but as you know, we saw it in the different video. This is just push on, right? You can see it, hopefully good. And you just click it on. Look at it, look at that. How absolutely wonderful. I have missing these 2 screws. There are one here, right? And one here if you want to go all the way. But these were lost in my vehicle. Isn't this beautiful installation? I can't wait to put it on and start enjoying this wonderful 6 CD player and the radio. So thank you for watching, my friend. Be subscribed that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you very soon.